Hello guys, I am Anand Sukla. This is part 4 of ASP.NET MVC tutorial. In my previous video, I have explained what is view. So if you have not watched till now what is view and you don't know what is view, so please go and watch my previous video what is view. So before we starting, I request you please subscribe my video so that whenever I upload new video you will get notified about my new video. Okay, so in this video we will learn what is strongly typed view and what is model and how to take data from database in model class and show it to the view. Okay, so first of all, what is strongly typed view? The view which is bind with any model is called as strongly typed view. Okay, so in my previous video we have learned how to bind a view with any class. So this is the part of our previous video session. So let's go into the index.cs HTML file, and here you can see this view index.cs HTML file is bind with imply model class. So this is how it become a strongly typed view, because it is bind with imply model class. So this index.cs HTML view will be called as strongly typed view. Okay, so what is the second topic? Second topic is what is model. So model is nothing but a class that reside in the model folder in ASP.NET MVC architecture. So the class that is bind with view is called as model. So this is the imply class. This imply class is bind with index.cs HTML view. So this class will be called as model. So imply class is a model class. If you go in this imply class, you will see the properties: emp id, emp name, emp gender, emp cell. So imply class is nothing but the class that is bind with a view is called a model. Model basically tells the how will be the model of our view. So this model class tells the index.cs HTML that how will be the structure of this index.cs HTML, means how it will be shown to the end user. This decide the model, because this class works as a model to this index.cs HTML view. Okay, so and the third topic is which we will cover is how to take data from database into the model and show this data to the end user. So let's go to the third topic. So in our previous video I have shown how to add data to the model. Here you can see in employee.controller I have shown that a list of employee. I have created a list of employee in index action method of employee controller, and in this list of employee I have added some hard coded data. So in this video I'll take all this data from database. So let's remove all this data and take this data from database. Okay, so for taking data from database we have to establish a connection from our database. So let's go to the web.config file and make a connection string. Connection string. So I have already typed for this. So this is my code. This is my connection string for connecting to the database. So this is data source and this is database, and the ID password is SSA. Provider is system.data.sql client. Okay, database I have a table named employee, and in this employee table I have 3 records. So I will show all these records to the view. I will see all these records with the help of view and model. So this is my connection string. Now what will I do? I will add a repository class. So for adding a repository class, I have a folder named repository. So let's go and add a repository class to this folder. Name it whatever you can. Let's say dv, and in this dv class, first of all add a namespace for accessing connection string from web.config. So what is the namespace? System.configuration manager. System.configuration manager. Okay. And one more namespace for working with database. So what is the namespace for working with database? So we are working with SQL database. So system dot using system dot SQL client, system data, okay, and system dot data dot SQL client, okay. System dot data dot SQL client. Now let's make a object of SQL connection. Let's say name, slice with null, okay, and let's create a constructor of db public db, and initialize this connection string in this constructor. So configuration manager dot connection string, and what is the name of this connection string in web.config? dvcs. So let's copy this dvcs and paste it here, dot connection string, okay. So this is how we have got the connection string from web.config. Equal to new SQL connection and con dot connection string, okay. Now it's okay. Now what will I do? I will get data from database using this connection. So for that I have already typed the code, so that my video will not be longer. Okay, so this is the code for getting data from database into the model class. So this is employee class. So this employee class is reside in the controller dot model namespace. So what we have to do is we have to use that namespace using controller dot models. Okay, and name is, this is con. So what have I done here? I have taken data from database into the employee list, and this employee list is being written from this get employee method. Okay, so whenever we call this get all employee method, I will get a list of employee. Okay, and this list of employee, from where we have got this list of employee? From database. Okay, so let's use this method in controller. So first of all, we have to import the namespace here using the namespace which I am going to import is repository class. Okay, so this namespace we have to use in employee controller for accessing the repository class. Okay, so using this controller lab dot repository, now we can access the db class. So db repository. Just a minute, let's rebuild. Spelling mistake here, repository. Okay, now it's okay. So db obj db equal to new db. Okay, and let's remove this. So obj db dot get all employee. Okay, so in my previous video I have hard coded some employee, but in this video I got all that employee from database. Okay, so let's run the project and see what will be the result. So let's run. So there is some mistake, I think. Mistake is, let's put the breakpoint and see what it does. Okay, so this is the employee list we have got here. Okay, so this is all about for this video. Now please subscribe for more videos. So if you will subscribe and press the bell icon, so whenever I will upload a new video you will get notified. So please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and thank you so much.